Hydroelectric power. What is hydroelectric power? Hydroelectric power or hydroelectricity is electrical power which is generated through the energy of falling water. Hydroelectric power is the production of power by using the gravitational force falling or flowing water. Hydroelectric power is the most widely used form of renewable energy. Hydro power supplied an estimated 715,000 MW in 2005. This was approximately 19% of the world's electricity and accounted for over 63% of the electricity harnessed from renewable sources. What are the different power plant operation types? With the increase in wind power production, many power plant operations are turbine operation, hydroelectric station operation are another type of power plant. What is a power generator? A renewable power generator is often the answer, with turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric dams are but a few of the innovative ways to accomplish this. How do I become a power dispatcher? Future, no matter if you work in a nuclear power plant or a plant that creates electricity by hydroelectricity or from coal burning. What is an electric power grid? Of burning coal to produce steam, but there are also hydroelectric, solar, and even nuclear power plants throughout the world. What is a hydropower dam? Resulting energy is variously called hydroelectricity, hydropower energy, water power, or hydroelectric power. Hydropower dams provide a very important source. What is the TVA? Reforestation during the World War II, the TVA provided a record amount of hydroelectric power for aluminum plants. What is a peak load? Yes, the start up and shut down process for this plant is quicker. Small hydroelectric plant can also be used for those purposes because they are also easier. How it works, hydroelectric power. So, just how do we get electricity from water? Actually, hydroelectric and coal-fired power plants produce electricity in a similar way. In both cases, a power source is used to turn a propeller-like piece called a turbine, which then turns a metal shaft in an electric generator, which is a motor that produces electricity. A coal-fired power plant uses steam to turn the turbine blades, whereas a hydroelectric plant uses falling water to turn the turbine. The results are the same. Take a look at this diagram. How this generator works. The Corps of Engineers explains it this way. A hydraulic turbine converts the energy of falling water into mechanical energy. A hydroelectric generator converts this mechanical energy into electricity. Pump storage, reusing water for peak electricity demand. Demand for electricity is not flat and constant. Demand goes up and down during the day, and overnight there is less need for electricity in homes, business, and other facilities. For example, here in Atlanta, Georgia at 5 p.m. on hot August week and day, you can bet there is a huge demand for electricity to run millions of air conditions, but 12 hours later at 5 a.m. The advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Once the dam is built, the energy is virtually free. No waste or pollution produced. Much more reliable than wind, solar, or wave power. Water can be stored about the dam ready to cope with peaks in demand. Hydroelectric power station can increase to full power very quickly, unlike other power stations. And last, electricity can be generated constantly. And the disadvantages. The dams are very expensive to build. However, many dams are also used for floods control or irrigation so building costs can be shared. Building a large dam will flood a very large area upstream, causing problems for animals that used to live there. Finding a suitable site can be difficult. The impact on the residents and the environment may be unacceptable. Unless water quality and quantity downstream can be affected, which can have an impact